Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we pit two awesome products against each other to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a drone showdown that's going to be so intense. Even your grandma might want to buy one and start a YouTube channel. On the left, we have the Holystone HS110D, and on the right, the V4 Mini Foldable Drone. Let's dive in and see which one will take off and which one will crash and burn. Ready? Let's go! First up, let's talk about the camera quality. Holystone HS110D boasts a 1080p FOV 120 degrees HD FPV camera. Reviewers say it's like having a mini James Cameron flying above you, capturing stunning visuals directly to your phone. However, some users noted that the camera quality could be better. On the other hand, the V4 Mini Foldable Drone also features a 1080p camera but with a 90 degrees electric adjustable angle. This flexibility makes it a hit among users who love adjusting the camera remotely, though some mentioned the image quality wasn't incredible. Next, we're talking flight time. The Holystone HS110D comes equipped with two modular batteries, giving you a combined 20 minutes of flight. Reviewers appreciate this duration for beginners to practice, though some wished it lasted longer. The V4 Mini Foldable Drone, however, provides an impressive 26 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. Reviewers love the extended flight time, making it perfect for longer fun sessions. Let's dive into features, shall we? The Holystone HS110D is packed with altitude hold, headless mode, 3D flips, and mobile control functions like voice control and gesture control. Reviewers highlight the ease of use and fun features, although some wished for more advanced functionalities. On the other hand, the V4 is a feature-packed beast with 3D flips, headless mode, trajectory flight, gravity control, auto-follow, 3 speed modes, 1 key takeoff/landing, gesture photo, and even VR. Users are thrilled with the extensive features, although some noted the drone felt a bit plasticky. Let's talk about portability and durability. The Holystone HS110D is pretty sturdy, described as the SUV of drones. It's reliable, but not exactly pocket-sized. Reviewers appreciate its durability, though it's not the most portable. Meanwhile, the V4 Mini Foldable Drone is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It's foldable, super drop resistant, and even comes with a carrying case. Users love its portability and ease of carrying around, although some found it less durable over time. And finally, let's talk about the price. The Holystone HS110D will set you back $99. Reviewers find it a good value for the features it offers, despite some minor drawbacks. The V4 Mini Foldable Drone, on the other hand, comes in at $89. Users appreciate the slightly lower price, making it a budget-friendly option with plenty of features. Summarizing the reviews, the Holystone HS110D is praised for its stability, ease of use, and durability, making it a great entry-level drone despite its camera quality and battery life concerns. On the other hand, the V4 Mini Foldable Drone is loved for its portability, extensive features, and longer flight time, although some users found it less durable and experienced issues after prolonged use. So there you have it, folks. The Holystone HS110D is perfect if you want a reliable, feature-packed drone with a great camera. But if you're looking for more bang for your buck, portability, and a few extra minutes of flight time, the Ford V4 Mini Foldable Drone might just be your new best friend. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. See ya! And remember, product links are in the description.